Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel.
Okay, I know that my eyeliner on my left side, my eyeliner is thicker. We were just having a bad day. I'm sorry. Yeah, it's honestly like, today's like my first time putting on makeup after getting a lash lift, so it's harder for me because I'm used to straight lashes. Anyways, let's get on with the video.
My name is Kyrene, and if you're new here, I like to make videos and I post every Sunday at 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Well, first of all, happy St. Patrick's Day. I hope you guys have a great day. Stay safe out there. Don't drink and drive. Yeah. Anyways, today's look is a natural everyday look. I'm so sorry. I have not even had the time to make a St. Patrick's Day video. So I'm so sorry about that. But yeah, at least you guys could use this look every single day. But yeah, this is like my natural everyday look. So yeah, anyways, let's get on with the video.
Hello everyone, so I have already primed my face for you, and then we already slicked down our brows and filled in our brows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown, and I slicked them down with the Benefit 24-hour brow setter, and I carved them out with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Excuse me, my phone, sorry. Anyways, I am going in with the Benefit Hello Happy foundation, and I am just applying that all over my face, and I'm going in with 2 layers of this foundation because I wanted a more full coverage-ish, medium coverage foundation coverage. Usually I use the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, but we're out of that, so we're going in with this foundation. Anyways, I am just blending that all over, and then I'm going to highlight the high points of my face with the Tarte Tape foundation concealer. Oh my gosh, concealer in the shade medium. Now I'm gonna set the concealer and my entire face with the Pretty Vulgar translucent powder, and I am just pressing that into my skin, especially to the parts of my smile lines because they crease. And yeah, and I'm just dusting that off, and then I'm not gonna put on eyeshadow, but I am applying some eyeshadow primer, and I'm just blending that out because my eyelids crease and it's not cute in my opinion. Then I'm taking this Ciate Fierce Flicks liquid liner. I'm just not used to using liquid liner anymore. I'm used to using gel, so excuse me for the unevenness, but I'm just going back and forth with between the eyes, making sure they're even. And whenever I feel like one side is lower than the other, I'm just taking some primer and on a flat brush, and I'm just dragging that along the edge of the liner just to give a precise wing. I was sort of struggling with this because both of the tips of these liners were dried out, so it was really hard for me to apply some eyeliner. But anyways, we are just trying to make them as even as possible, and then I'm going to apply some concealer and foundation in that area that we removed underneath the eyeliner. And then I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. We're gonna put on the Pretty Vulgar bronzer. This is such a good bronzer. I feel like I like this bronzer more than Physicians Formula. Don't come for me for that, but I love this, and I just feel like it's such a good shade on me. Then I'm gonna go in with the Jar Cosmetics Starlit Powder palette in Starstruck. And I don't have my my highlighter brush right now, so we're using a mixture of like 3 different brushes, so bear with me. And then we're gonna go in with Lily Lashes in Miami, and then we are going in with some Gerard Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade Bare It All. Making sure everything's all put together, and then I'm setting my face with the Gerard Cosmetics setting spray in Coconut, and that is the complete look.
So guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys like this video. Today's post notification shout out goes to Sherry B. Burnett. I'm sorry if I butchered the last name. Anyways, thank you so much for supporting me, and I hope you watch the next video so you could see that you got the post notification shout out. So anyways, I'm in a little bit of a rush, so I gotta go, guys. I wish I could stay and chat with you guys forever. We should do a live. Anyways, if you guys like this video, make sure you guys give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe and ring that little notification bell before you leave. Did you do it yet? I'll see you guys next time. Actually, I won't see you guys. You guys will see me. So you guys will see me next time. Bye.